Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an in-depth review of Next Liquid Web, one of the newest web hosting services on the market. If you're considering this service for your website, stick around as we explore its features, performance, pricing, and customer support. 1. Overview of Next Liquid Web. Next Liquid Web is designed to provide high-performance hosting solutions, focusing on reliability and speed. It's geared towards small to medium-sized businesses, e-commerce sites, and developers who need a robust hosting environment. 2. Key features, speed and performance. Next Liquid Web boasts impressive load times thanks to its use of cutting-edge server technology and SSD storage. We'll dive into the specifics of their infrastructure and how it impacts your website's speed. Scalability. One of the standout features is the ability to scale resources easily. This is crucial for growing businesses that anticipate increased traffic and need more server power on the fly. Security. Security is a top priority for Next Liquid Web. They offer advanced DDoS protection, regular security audits, and automatic backups to keep your data safe. User-friendly interface. The control panel is intuitive, making it easy for users of all skill levels to manage their hosting account. Customer support. 24/7 support is available via chat, phone, and email. We'll test the response times and effectiveness of their support team. 3. Performance testing. Let's get into some performance testing. We'll look at uptime. How reliable is Next Liquid Web? We'll check their uptime over a month to see if they meet their 99.9% uptime guarantee. Load times. Using tools like Jeepmetrics and Pingdom, we'll measure the load times of a test website hosted on Next Liquid Web. Stress testing. We'll simulate high traffic to see how well the servers handle peak loads. For pricing, Next Liquid Web offers several pricing tiers, catering to different needs. Basic plan, ideal for small websites or blogs. Business plan, suitable for growing websites and small businesses. Premium plan, best for high-traffic websites and e-commerce sites. We'll compare these plans and see which offers the best value for money. 5. Customer support. Customer support can make or break a hosting experience. We'll contact their support team with a few common issues and see how quickly and effectively they respond. 6. Pros and cons. Let's break down the main pros and cons of Next Liquid Web. Pros: excellent performance and load times, easy scalability, robust security features. User-friendly interface, reliable customer support. Cons: higher price point compared to some competitors, limited entry-level options for very small websites. 7. Final verdict. In conclusion, Next Liquid Web is a powerful hosting solution for those who need reliability, speed, and scalability. While it may be a bit pricier than some competitors, the features and performance make it a strong contender in the web hosting market. Call to action: if you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more reviews and tech content. If you have any questions or personal experiences with Next Liquid Web, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.